Welcome to the WP Training Kit. We are so excited to have you here and hope it will be very helpful for you. Inside this comprehensive step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can create, manage, and maintain your own website on WordPress from scratch without learning how to code. WordPress is the most popular content management system, CMS, and powers more than 30% of websites. With its beautiful designs, powerful features, and the freedom to build anything you want, it is both free and priceless at the same time. And you are going to learn everything there's to learn to kick off your web presence with WordPress successfully. So let's get started.